Fix the lead. You're still in the wrong lead, Sydney. There we go. Fix the lead, quickly. Look at your fence. You need the diagonal line. Go, go, go. Good. Good. I want you to take this jump. Sydney, what happened? I want you to take the jump. Heels down.